मतलब this petition, मतलब this association filed मतलब this petition for मतलब not granting the arrears of DLNS allowances, DA मतलब
Areas of
dearness allowances.
dearness allowances.
Yes, yes.
DA.
DA. मतलब this series of the circulars has been filed. मतलब I have annexure P5. मतलब in which मतलब category is and specific condition is there not this every DLNS allowance has been enforced from the 1st January and every year from 1st July. They have considered. And it is mentioned, clear, also mentioned in the circular that the rest of the DLNS allowances be calculated in the areas of as the salaries and same shall be deposited in GPF amount. But till that, since 2017, I have prepared the chart also. 18 months DLNS allowance has not been paid. Even representation has been made and impugn order says बिचारा दिन नहीं है. P5 में कांडली सी page 83. Clause 1. Says Clause 1. बढ़ी हुई महंगाई भत्ते की राशि का दिनांक 1/7/2017 से नगद भुगतान किया जाएगा. मतलब नेक्स्ट मतलब पेज 87. क्लॉज 1. बढ़े हुए महंगाई भत्ते की राशि का माह मार्च 2019 के वेतन अप्रैल 2019 को भुगतान योग्य से नगद भुगतान किया जाएगा. एरियस भुगतान पर पृथक से निर्णय लिया जाएगा. मतलब ऑल दिस टिल 2026 मतलब आई हैव फाइल्ड सर्कुलर्स मतलब where such condition has been mentioned but none of these areas of salary has been paid to the employees. All were stated. This federation has filed these petitions and number of persons are affected. And I have demonstrated with filing the central government notification P4. This very much DRNS allowance has been fixed by the 1st January every year and 1st July. This was recent judgment also Supreme Court, Supreme Court in the matter of this West Paschim Bengal said this is a fundamental right to granted its part of the basic salary.
Is your representation is pending?
No, they have decided except I have challenged it except P1. Clause 2 page 31. बिचारा दिन नहीं है.
Issue notice to respondents. Respondents to accept notice on behalf of respondent. You're for?
All the respondents.
Sir, all the respondents, my lord.
What is your name?
Sakshi Bajpai.
Sakshi
Bajpai.
Bajpai for the respondents. Issue notice to respondents. Ms. Bajpai accepts notice on behalf of respondents since process is not required to be paid. She pays for and is granted 4 weeks time to file the claim.
Only issues a large scale the person employee any date be commencing any month.
आ जाएगा अभी